the snow. Okay, ready? Whee! Here, we'll come up here with more snow. Whoa! Are you having fun? You gonna try the snow again?
Yeah.
You gonna taste it? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
You like it? Are you having fun? It's cold, huh? It's cold. Brr. You're so silly. Okay, we're gonna go up to the house now. Maybe. Mama can pause it here.